Hello all Phandroid fans, this is Kunio13. My obscure yet awesome Android app review today is called Airplane Quiz. Are you an airplane junkie? Think you can tell the difference between a Boeing 737 and an Airbus 320? How about a B767 and an A330? If you think you know all the answers, try this quiz. Airplane Quiz is a simple game to help you learn over 100 commercial passenger airplanes. Test your knowledge in identifying commercial passenger airplanes from Boeing, Airbus, Saab, Embraer, and more. If you'd like to learn more about Airplane Quiz, it's ready for purchase in the Android market. I'll place a link on Phandroid.com. I hope tomorrow brings selling date news about the long-awaited Galaxy Nexus. Hang in there, Phandroid followers. The USA will receive our ice cream sandwiches by Christmas.